Welcome back to my channel. My name is Petergaye and you're watching Petergay's Passion. So in this video, I will be showing you how I repurposed this vanity that you see right behind me. I bought it off of Craigslist and it was only $40, believe it or not. So yeah, that's what it's looking like back there. I do have that bottom drawer. I just took it out because I was doing some work under there. But yeah, just keep watching and you'll see how I transform this into something really nice. And if you're not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get started with this video. So I forgot to mention this, but those feet that you see at the bottom there, I actually installed those myself. I did do it on camera, but I did go ahead and install one on each side. But yeah, just so you guys know, it didn't come like that. So I started by removing all my knobs and taking out all the drawers. Next, I started sanding down the whole entire vanity, and I'm just using a sanding block for this part. So here I'm just using a cloth to wipe off the excess dust. So here I started priming my vanity, and I'm using the Bullyseye 123 primer, and I'll be giving it 2 coats. So I did go ahead and give the entire vanity 2 coats of PPG basic beige and a satin finish. The reason I did it off camera was because you guys couldn't tell a difference between the primer and the paint, but now that it's all painted you can see the difference in color now, so that's why there was no point of me filming that part and showing it to you guys. So that's why I did it that way, and now you can see the true color of the paint. Then to finish off, I'm just using these knobs here that I got from Home Depot. Alright guys, and this is what the finished product is looking like. It looks really, really nice. I just went ahead and decorated the top just with some flowers. And I also got a new mirror. Overall, this is a total transformation, I can tell you that. But it looks good. We'll need to fix that thing right there, but it's just a little bit of drywall. But yeah, it looks really nice. There's the finished product, and thank you so much for watching my video. So if you enjoy this kind of video, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for new videos. So thanks guys, and bye.